Hello friends, today I will be speaking on the difference between a private limited company and a private sector company. Friends, I have come across students who often get confused between these two terms. Friends, a private limited company is a company registered under Companies Act 2013. The minimum number of members required to form a private limited company is 2, and the maximum number of members is limited to 200. Friends, a private limited company does not issue shares to public, and it restricts the right to transfer the shares. So friends, these are the important characteristics of a private limited company. Now I am coming to a private sector company. Friends, a private sector company is a company which is not a government company. This is simple. That is, the majority of the shareholding is held by private individuals. Like Reliance Industries Limited, TCS, these are all private sector companies. The majority of shareholding lies with the private individuals and not government. These are not government companies. Friends, a private sector company can be a public limited company as well as a private limited company. That is, a private sector company can take the form of a private limited company. It may not issue shares to public, or a private sector company can take the form of a public limited company. That is, it can invite public to subscribe to its shares and get listed on a stock exchange. So friends, I hope the difference between these two terms is clear to you, and that's it for now. And please continue watching my channel for more videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.